Okay, there we go. That's the dough, how it looks like. And chop it, don't pull it. Tuck. So like I say, let's go ahead and let's put it in the freezer. Hello guys, pay attention this from Maestro Copelli in the home oven. Boom! Let me show you something. Don't move! Voila! Guys, look at this. From frozen pizza, when you are lazy, when you don't want to make pizza dough, but you want pizza, this is the way to go. We got frozen bases and we made this lovely pizza in 5 minutes, and the home oven is soft, it's crunchy, it's lovely. Make sure you watch until the end because this video is going to be insane. Let's reach this 1 million subscribers with this. Frozen pizza bases, it's super easy. Watch. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this pizza. Let me put this back in the freezer because in about 2-3 months I wanna eat pizza, but I don't wanna do dough. So I'll see you in a little bit. Oh wait. In this video, you are going to see everything, how to make the pizza dough, how to make the pre-fermented dough, A to Z. It's super complete. Now, I'll see you in a little bit. And make sure you watch until the end. Okay guys, we can start this recipe. We have to start this with biga because this dough is gonna be 100% with biga. It's a pre-fermented dough, really digestible for you. And this is the best way to make this pizza. We're gonna need 400 milliliters of water, 5 grams of dry yeast, and a teaspoon of honey. Put everything together in the water. And now let's go ahead and let's add 800 grams of 00 flour or whatever flour you wanna use. Let's add half amount. Just mix a few seconds the water with the flour and everything together. And now let's add the rest of the flour. The flour is gonna absorb the water and it's gonna be ready. This is gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now at this point, let's do it with your hands. You have to do this movement like that. Just press until we have all one. We don't want to make the dough. We want to keep the dough like this. Now, try to take everything. The biga, it's ready. Now let's get a cover. Be careful because in about 15 to 20 minutes, it's going to explode and you're going to get scared. So don't worry about this because the biga is growing. So let's wait 30 minutes at room temperature, and then after 30 minutes we're gonna go put it in the fridge for about 24 hours. And here we go guys, the biga it's ready. After 24 hours this is how it looks like. Okay, first thing to do is we have to add the biga in the dough machine. Guys, this is gonna be super easy. Put the whole yeast inside, close it. Voila. We set up the time at 10 minutes and let's go. Look at this. Add the whole salt in the water like that and try to do this. Here we go. This way we melt a little bit the salt and little by little we're gonna add the water. We're gonna go little by little until we finish the whole water. This process is gonna take about 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, we're almost done with the water. Let's put the last and the dough. It's ready. Okay, there we go. That's the dough, how it looks like. See, it's nice and strong. Take off the ball if you can take off the ball. So now, this is the dough. Like you can see, a little bit of olive oil in your hands. And try to grab the dough gently. See, it will be clean. And try to do like a balloon. You can see it's nice and strong. So now get back here. That's the dough. Little bit of olive oil on top of your hands again. Tap on top. And now let's go ahead. Let's close it. Let's wait 1 hour at room temperature. Okay, here we go, guys. 1 hour is passed by, and this is how the dough looks like. You can see already starts to little bit of bubbling. Little bit of olive oil in your hands. Try to get the dough this way. Then try to grab it all and put it this way down. We have to go ahead and make the balls. So this is how we make the balls. It's better to use a base of marble to do this. Let's make about 5 balls, 200, 250 grams. This is how you make it. Grab a container, a spatula if you're using wood, and make sure it's closed. If it's sticky in your hands, go ahead and use a little bit of olive oil. This way it will not get stuck, the ball. That's ready. Keep it closed. So now at this point, let's go ahead, let's set up the timer, 30 minutes, and we are ready. But before, let's go ahead and let's turn on the oven at static max temperature. Let's wait. 30 minutes is the dough is resting. 20 minutes the oven is gonna go in temperature. In a little bit we are ready to make the magic. So now at this point, go ahead, smash the like, subscribe. But guys, make sure you watch all my videos because I have more than 600 videos on my channel. And I'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes passed by and let's check out the dough. Beautiful. Almost double up the side and it's perfect and ready to go. But before everything, let's give it a nice quick check of the oven. Yes, it's 230, 225, it's ready. Close it right away. Here we go. It's perfect in temperature. Now let's go ahead and let's prepare this base of pizza because we want to have pizzas all the time. But if you want to do all this process, that's the way to do. Trust me, I tested after like about 8 months and the dough was good. So, little bit of flour on the bottom, on the dough. Scrub the dough. There we go. Boom. Gently, guys, because this is different from a regular pizza. We want to have a nice air pockets. That's the way to do it. So the stretching here is very different. Again, a little bit of flour on top. So with your finger, just press lightly on top, everything. Once we have about 8 inches, that's it. You don't want to touch it anymore. Grab the peel, put it right there. And now, go ahead, put it in your hands, take off all the flour and upside down, put on top of the peel. Finish. You want to keep the dough about 10 inches, not bigger than that. Now let's go ahead and let's put olive oil on top. Here we go. Gently with your fingers, go ahead and put it, like spread the olive oil everywhere. Now let's grab the salt. Salt is very important. Just a pinch everywhere. Now let's go ahead and let's cook it. Put the pizza on top of the stone or steel or whatever you have. Here we go. So now the pizza is in the oven and let's wait to cook and let me show you at the next step. Let's grab the same grill that was in the oven, of course, cold. And now let's check the pizza about 3 minutes in the oven. We want to cook it for about 5 minutes, no more than that. You don't want to cook the pizza all the way. Make sure it needs to be about like a gold color. Cook it for about 8 minutes and ooh, nice. This is the pizza, how it looks like. Voila. Over the top. Take a look. Beautiful, it looks nice. The bottom part is not overcooked. It's gold color, it's perfect. So now at this point, let's go ahead, let's leave it at room temperature the time that cools down and let me show you the next step. Here we go, guys. I prepare all the bases. So this is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna get it all. They are cold, or make sure you bring the pizza dough at the bases of the pizza at room temperature because it's very important. So that's what we're gonna do. Get a little bit of paper. Every piece of pizza, piece of foil of paper. Here we go. If you have Ziploc, go ahead and use Ziploc. Unfortunately, I don't have a Ziploc and I have to use this. I don't really like to use plastic wrap, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it with the foil like that. Like this, just a little bit, voila. And that's what you're gonna do. So at this point, let's go ahead and let's wrap it up all of them. We got the bases done. At this point, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer and we're gonna leave it in the freezer for as much time you want, even months. After they freeze, you just get one and then I'm gonna show you in a little bit what we're gonna do next. Voila guys, like you can see, this is completely freeze. So what we're gonna do, just open up, wait a few seconds, get a few ingredients. In this case, I'm gonna make a margherita pizza. So we have some cooked tomato. It's very important to use cooked tomato, some pecorino cheese, and some mozzarella and basil. Once the oven is reached the temperature, let's go ahead and let's make the pizza. Super simple. Let's get the tomato, put it on the pizza. Again, cook it because it's gonna taste lovely and beautiful everywhere. Just a little bit of fresh basil, some pecorino cheese everywhere, and then fresh mozzarella. The nice thing of making this pizza is you can take your time, you don't make anything doughy, and it's super fast. And the pizza, it's ready to go in the oven. A little bit of olive oil. Okay guys, it's time to go ahead and put it in the oven. Like you can see, I don't even need a peel to put it in the oven. So let's go ahead and let's put it inside the home oven and we cook it until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. And guys, the pizza is lovely ready. See, no peel, no anything. Of course, be careful when you do this because the pizza, it's super hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Oh my God, that's what I'm talking about. Take a look. Shh. That's soft and crunchy in the same time. Let me cut it. It's super hot. I made this pizza in less than 5 minutes because it took about 5 minutes to cook, to fully cook, because the base that we made was cooked about 7 minutes. So that's how it looks like. Look at this. It's soft and it's crunchy in the same time. Let's finish up this pizza with a little bit of basil on the middle. We want to have the pizza complete, beautiful to look, because the look, it makes also your brain think that the pizza is good. Put a little bit of olive oil everywhere. Guys, I present to you the perfect pizza made at home, super easy, from frozen pizza dough. After this, go ahead, like, make sure you watch all my videos and comment below. I see all your comments and I will reply to you if you have any question. Now is the best time, the tasting part. Wow, Ami, take a look of this slice. It's lovely. My mouth is watering. Wow, Ami. Woo. Let's go ahead, the bite on the crust. Wow. Wow. Okay guys, make sure to watch the next level Neapolitan pizza. Go ahead, check that video out because it's insane. Over 5 million views. Now I'm gonna enjoy this pizza and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.